conducted provocative, unilateral, illegal, and unprofessional acts that is conduct unbecoming of a Coast Guard officer and is a stain on the Coast Guard uniform we proudly wear. We hold the Chinese Coast Guard responsible for
You're sailing within the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone. What is your intention? Over.
Meron na po. Medical.